katabi po niya ay Catholic Church School. Magandang hapon, magandang tanghali ka all lover vlog. Dito po ngayon sa Tondo Church. Ang katabi po niya ay school, Emperor School, Holy Child Catholic School.